Uh, paper one. This is I take from year year 2019 question paper tutu. Ini Bapak download kemarin ya, tahun Februari. Nah ini with Jos kemarin sudah di sini ya, Rama. Nanti Rama catch up aja coba sendiri ya. Sebenarnya ada mark scheme-nya bisa apa download atau bisa lihat mark scheme di sana. Nah, until number 17. So now number 18, 19 sampai dengan ya secukupnya sampai di nomor berapa nanti ya. Oke, 18, 19 and 20. The metal surface of a kettle is hot. What happened to the cool air outside the kettle when it's come into contact with the hot kettle? Apa yang terjadi ya, kalau udara dingin di luar itu kontak dengan kettle ini? This is about density, density, density. Ya. Density air, air, air. Nah, decrease or increase. Kalau dia kontak ya, berarti hot ya. Ini thermal, temperatur hot. Automatically volume akan mengembang ya. Nah, density akan decrease. Ya. Kan remember about density equals to mass per volume ya. So when the volume ya sorry. When the volume increases, density decreases ya. Jadi yang pertama decreases, and the air kalau decreases berarti naik ke atas ya, karena kan jadi ini partikel ini naik ke atas because less density ya. Yang ini turun ke bawah. Why? Because density-nya masih constant ya, masih constant. Gitu. Jadi the density of the air decreases and the air rises. Okay, number 19, vacuum flasks usually have silver walls that help to keep the contents of the flask hot. Why are the walls silver? Silver itu untuk reflect thermal radiation back to ini ya. Untuk reflect ya. Karena silver itu dia tidak absorb ya. Yang absorb adalah the dark one ya. Nah, then when water wave pass through a gap, they diffract. The diagram shows wavefront approaching narrow gap. In which diagram will the diffraction be least? Sebelah mana yang will be least? Ya, which diagram mana yang paling kecil, in which diagram? Oh, si wavelength ini wavelength besar. Nah. Diffraction least means wavelength itu least ya. Ini wavelengthnya, ini wavelength. Nah, ini wavelength. And the gap itu D ya. D itu in which diagram will diffraction be least? Sin theta. D sin theta. Oh, big. D, so Bapak ada rumus ya. Bapak ingat gitu. D sin theta equals to n lambda. So supaya sign, okay, in which diagram diffraction be less about d and lambda, ya, sin tetanya kecil maka d-nya harus besar, yes correct, lambdanya harus kecil, yes correct. Ini guys, d-nya besar berarti this, lambdanya kecil berarti this, C, ya. Ini D ya, ini D. Distance between gap. Nah, ini rumus ini Bapak untuk inget-inget ya, tapi kalian belum belajar. Ya pokoknya kecil, sin theta akan kecil ketika D-nya besar, lambdanya ikut kecil. Oke. See number 21. Which conditions are necessary for light to be totally internal reflected? The incident light is in angle incident. The incident light is in, oh gini. Let's say this is apa namanya, interface ya. This is interface. Let's say they have N1, N2 as index. Nah, when the light come from N2 to N1, ya. Nah, this is total internal refraction ya. When reflected is 90 degree, ya. Then this is angle, critical angle. As it from, wait. Dari medium rapat ke medium. Ini N2, N1 ya. So from the more dense medium, the incident light in more dense ya, ini more dense, yang lebih rapat, yang lebih more dense, angle of incident greater than ya, yes, D ya. Maksudnya gini guys, kalau dia lebih dari ini, dia akan reflectednya di interface ya, apalagi naik ke atas, apalagi more than, ya, greater than critical angle, maka dia akan ya, di apa, di interface ini. Ini interface ya, interface. Or bidang batas dua medium. This is let's say medium 1 and this is medium 2 ya. The condition is N2 greater than N1 ya, or like dense of medium 2 greater than medium 1. That's it. Let me continue. See question 22, 23, 24, 25. Maybe 22 until 24 first ya. Light is traveling through air. The light strikes a glass block at angle incident 45 degree. The glass has refractive index 1.4. What is angle diffraction of light enter glass? Ini guys, kita pakai Snell's law ya. Snell's law. N1 sin theta, N1 sin 1 ya, sin theta 1 ya, equals to N2 sin theta 2. Light traveling through air, the light strikes glass block at the angle incident 45. The glass has refractive index. Ya. What the angle refraction of the light enters the glass. Ya. Berarti ini from the air ya. In air ya itu adalah 1. Ya. Index refractive air equals to 1. So 1 times sin 45 equals to N2 1.4 sin theta 2. Yeah. So sin theta 2 equals to sin 45 degree per 1.4. Yeah. This is equals to sin 45 divided 1.4 is equals to 0.50. Yeah, 0.505. This is about 0.5. So theta 2 is sin minus 1 of 0.5. Yeah. 30 degree. Yeah. This is about 30 degree. Is it 30 B? Yeah. This one. This is Snell's law. Yeah. Snell's law. Okay, number 23. An eclipse of sun happens when the moon comes between Earth and sun. Your statement is correct. Infrared radiation from the sun disperses before visible light and ultraviolet radiation. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun disperses before visible light and infrared radiation. Visible light from the sun disperses before ultraviolet radiation, infrared radiation. Infrared radiation, ultraviolet radiation visible at the same moment. Wait, takutnya Bapak salah jawab sebentar ya. This is infrared radiation, ultraviolet visible light from the sun disperse at the same moment. Ya. Oke. Karena begitu itu langsung hilang ya, gelap. 24 pulse of sun produced at the bottom of a boat. The sun travels through the water. It's reflected from the soul of fish. The sun reached the boat again after 1.2 seconds. The speed of sun water 1,500 meters per second. How far below the bottom of the boat is soulfish? Ini pakai itu guys. Yang D equals to V times T divided 2 ya. V 1,500 times 1.2 divided 2. It's about 900 900 meter. 900 meter. Okay, answer is B. Okay, Josh and Rama. In the same page, we have number 25. 1 minute. An observer stands the finish line 100-meter race. Yeah, he wants to time the winner's run. His stopwatch, yeah, as soon as he is the smoke from the starting gun, yeah, instead of when he hears the bang. Yeah. What is reason for doing this? Yeah. Light travels much faster than sound. Yeah, than sound. There is risk might respond to echo from the wall. Humans react slower to sound the light. Humans react more quickly sound the light. Ini ya, light travel much faster than sound. Karena kecepatan cahaya itu lebih besar daripada kecepatan bunyi. Ya. Oh, 26 and 27 ya. A soft iron bar is a long way from any magnetic field. How can the material of the bar be described? A soft iron bar, yeah. It is magnetic and strongly magnetized, yeah. Soft iron, a long way from, oh, is a long way from magnetic field. How can material the bar? It is magnetic but karena dia long way, this is long way. Ini soft iron, ya iron berarti dia magnetic and unmag, uh, so B. Ya. Okay, question 27. Diagram 1 show two thin uncharged strip of plastic. Ya, diagram 2 shows same strip after they have been rubbed with the dry cloth. Ini belum repel, ini udah repel ya. Which row describe the charge strip after rubbing and force between strip after rubbing? Charge itu same ya, dan ini repulsion ya. Gitu. Like positif positif or negatif negatif ya. Okay, that's it. Ini repel ya, repulsion. I don't know whether positive positive or negative negative. Yeah, actually they have same charge. Okay, next question. Still in the same page here. A cell has an electromotive force or EMF 1.5 volt. Yeah. What does this statement mean? This is EMF something with energy per charge. Yeah. This is volt. Yeah. This is equals to joule per charge. Yeah. Joule per coulomb. Uh, 1.5 joules per 1 coulomb. Yeah. Joules per second when driving 1 coulomb. Oh, per second. No, no, no. There's no per second. B, yeah. B, this is not per second. Directly B. Yeah. Joule per coulomb. Yeah. Okay, continue to number 29 and 30. A metal wire of length 100 cm, cross-sectional 0.2 has a resistance of 8.0 ohms. What is the resistance of wire the same metal of length 50 centimeter, cross-sectional area 0.4 millimeter square? Remember guys, R equals to rho L over A. So this is when they have same material, rho is same, yeah. Rho means R A per L. So R1, yeah, they have resistance 8.0 when the cross-sectional area is 0.20, yeah, divided length 100 centimeter, R2, we find R2, and they have cross-sectional area 0.4, and then length is 50. Okay, so R equals 2, this is 2, this is 2, 2, this is 4. 8 divided 4, 2, 2.0. That's it. Mm. Number 30. The diagram show a circuit. What is connected parallel to the thermistor? Oh, thermistor. Thermistor. Wait, this is LDR. Yeah. This is LDR. This is variable resistor. Variable resistor. VR. This is thermistor. Thermistor. This is heater. Yeah. So answer is A. Kalian masih di sana kan ya? Sekarang number 31. We still have 10 more number ya. Hopefully finish this today. Agak cepat aja Bapak coba number 31. A lampu of to be connected circuit potential difference PD across it can be varied from 0 to 6 volt. Yeah. Which circuit will be suitable? Ah, which one? Oh, this guys, this here. Why? Yeah, yeah, because this is variable ya. Ini from 0 to 6 ya. So when the arrow-nya ini uh, come to here, this is 0 ya. And here is 0. And then when in here, yeah, is 6 volt. So B ya. 32. Bapak agak kesini aja deh. 32. Component X and Y can be inserted to the complete circuit below. Yeah, the completed circuit is a potential divider. Yes, in which the potential difference across component Y increases when the temperature increases. Oh, kalau gitu ya, ini X itu resistor. Ya. X ini resistor, and then Y is thermistor. Ya, Y thermistor. Resistor thermistor C. Ya. Oke, Rama Jos, kalau mau dilihat dulu 1 menit, Bapak pindah ke itu ya, ke next question. Oke, next 33. Ini belum belajar kalian. Which two logic gates? Oh, udah kelas 9 udah. Which two logic gate each have high output 1 when both their impulse are low 0? Um, kalau dia both ini which two logic gate each have high output 1? Kalau 0 ya. Oh, ini berarti n become 0 ya. And then apa namanya, nor ya, and or ya. Sorry, this is nan 1 1. Sorry, this is nan ya, and then nor ya. When the input 0 0 ya, become 1, ini 0 ya. Nah, ini nan 0 and or kebalikan dari 0 1 ya. See. Then two NAND gates are joined together as shown. Input 1, input 2. They become this is something N ya. Ini harus ada tabelnya ya guys ya. Setelah nanti itu aja. Nanti Bapak jelaskan lagi. Which component are designed to improve the safe working and mains electrical supply? Which component is designed to improve safe working circuit breaker? Kayaknya all of them deh. Wire circuit breaker, all ya, D. I think D. We have still 5 more number. Ini cepat aja ya. When we use left hand rules ya. Ini short to note ya. Bapak kasih tanda merah aja. Ini B ya. From short to note. Ini B. Yeah. So let's say like this is I and this is B. This is right angle ya. So when we use right hand rules B, this one, so F coming up ya. F-nya itu ke atas ya. Ini kita gunakan Fleming's left hand di kelas 3, kelas 9 ya. Hmm. So toward ini ya, toward to the top of the page. 37. Wow, kita diagram 1 show an AC generator. Yeah, the coil is turning itself. Diagram 1. Yeah. Diagram 2 show the output voltage produced by generator as the coil turns. Yeah. Which point on diagram 2 show the voltage induced when the coil is moving through the position diagram 1. Ah, diagram diagram 7. The coil is turning. Yes, diagram. Yes. Voltage induced when the coil is moving through the position zone. It when maximum ya. Hmm. Oh, this is when zero ya, karena posisinya di atas B ya, zero. Ini zero guys. Why zero? Karena posisinya tepat di atas ini minimum ya, atas dan bawah ya. Tapi kalau dia posisinya di daerah sini ya, this is the maximum one ya. This is the minimum one. Ya. Okay, question 38. Which observation provide evidence for the nuclear atom? Hmm, Which observation by alpha particle by methane? This one, scattering alpha particle on the Geiger-Müller. See. Oh, two more number. The chemical symbol of uranium is U. The equation represents the radioactive decay uranium-235. What are the number X and Y? X and Y. Yeah. X is 235 minus 4. 231. Y equals to 92 minus 4 minus 2 equals to 90. So 231 and 90 B. Yeah. One more question. Ini jawabannya B tadi ya. Ini B. An experiment is done to measure radiation from the radioactive source that has a half-life in 10-minute half-life. The source is placed close to the detector. Okay. The average background rate 20 counts per minute. Yeah. Start experiment. The count rate 1000. What is the count 2-minute leader? Gini ya, kalau kalian masih ingat the formula NT equals to NO half T per T ya. NO is 1000, half T is 10 minute later per 20. 1000 half salah bapak, salah. Wait. Spontan 10 menit ini terbalik. Ini 20 ya, salah terbalik. Nggak bisa dihapus. Ini terbalik ya. Ini 20, ini 10. Ya, so ini power to something power. Jadi, kok hilang? 250. Wait. Oh, oh. Hmm. Oh, iya. Ini guys. Ya, kita nggak usah pakai hitungan. This so 1000 divided 2 equals to 10. After 10 minutes later ya. Karena kita we have 10 minutes as a half life. So after 10 minutes tinggal a half-nya dari ini 1000 plus 20. So 1000 plus 20 divided 2 equals to 510. That's it.